Let's see if I have any. Oh, what just happened? Everyone, it is time. And you might be asking, what is it time for? It's time to pack for Coachella. I'm going to weekend 2 of Coachella. I feel like I'm probably the last person you would expect to go to a music festival just with my personality and my fear of crowds, but I'm going. So I need to pack, and I thought I'd take you guys with me. I have so much stuff to pack in a really little suitcase. A lot of the stuff that I'm bringing along was in my FabFitFun box that I got earlier this month that I already shared with you guys. I wanted to tell you guys a little bit more about my FabFitFun box. You guys saw me unbox it a few videos ago. These products are not just like pretty things that I've been throwing in a drawer. These products are becoming everyday staples for me that I use every single day and that I'm taking with me on vacation. So FabFitFun is a lifestyle subscription where you get 6 full-size products each season that can range from beauty, lifestyle, fashion, decor, skincare. I think the best part is that you get to choose every single thing in your box. So for me personally, every single thing that I chose fits me and my lifestyle perfectly. No products are going to waste. Each box is valued at $350, but with my little link that I have in the description, you guys can get your first box for $55. Wild considering all the value in it and how often I use every single product in my box. I'm a FabFit member, and as a FabFit member, I get access to exclusive flash sales. I don't know if you guys can see, but there is a cloud going over the sun and then away, over the sun then away. So if the lighting's changing, I'm sorry. But these flash sales have amazing brands like Tarte, Glow Recipe, Olaplex, Kate Spade, Free People, Coach. The list goes on, and you can get up to 70% off. They say that the average member saves $500 in their first season, which I totally believe because the deals are that good. If you're thinking of signing up, I highly recommend the annual membership. That's what I have. You get first picks of all the products, early shipping, and early access to those flash sales that I was talking about. So you're really getting the most out of it. And you guys can use my code for a free gift valued over $200 when you subscribe to a new annual membership. Make sure to check it out. I will also have it in the description for you guys. Serious value in a FabFitFun box, and it's so fun getting my box every single season. A lot of the products I've been using for my FabFitFun box I've absolutely been loving, and I'm bringing with me on this vacation. Before we even pack for Coachella, you know what we have to do first? Unpack for my work trip. This suitcase has been sitting here for, oh gosh, almost a week now, and I still have not unpacked it. Usually I like to unpack things right when I get home, but I decided to procrastinate this, and I procrastinated this for way too long. So let's unzip it, get everything out, and then see what we can kind of reuse when packing for Coachella. One thing that you guys should know about me is I am a huge homebody, and I have so many trips coming up. I think every other weekend until the end of summer, I have a trip coming up, which is so unlike me. I think last year I went on one little weekend road trip to California, like a 6-hour drive there and back, and that was the only trip that I took last year. This one, we're bus, club, another club. We have a lot of traveling coming up, so I'm trying to like optimize it as much as I possibly can and kind of mentally prepare myself for all the travel that I have going on. I don't think that I'll have to do laundry, which is really, really nice because a lot of the stuff from my trip was for a very cold climate. Where I'm going to is very warm, so a lot of the stuff was also business professional stuff, so there's not a lot of crossover between a work trip and Coachella, as it turns out. I did a try on haul last night for TikTok of all my options, and this is what I had going for it. So I clearly just like laid it all out rather than putting it all away. So I still don't know 100% exactly what I'm going to wear every single day. I do have some ideas, but I want to pull this out. A lot of people are recommending that I wear a white skirt, so I was just gonna bring a white skirt along. Yeah, and then I can just like have my friends help me decide what to wear because they are definitely more stylish than I am. So I think that we're just gonna try to compact it. One thing that I need to keep in mind is not only like my Coachella outfits, but apparently during the day in Coachella you don't really do anything. Like the festival doesn't really start till later half the day, so I need to make sure that I'm bringing like a change of outfits for like the morning, you know, so I'm not in my pajamas all day, which, you know, pretty much every single day need. This is a suitcase that I'm going to bring. It's mine from away. I got it 6-7 years ago, and what I usually store a lot of my travel stuff inside my suitcases, and I kind of just switch them out when I'm using them, and so what I want to do is take out all of this stuff. This is a lot of winter clothes that I have that I never use, because when do I have to use winter clothes in Arizona? Usually don't travel to cold climates. I have like lots of backpacks. I think I should move it and kind of separate it all so it's not getting close to the clothes. I also do have some like bags in here, and I was thinking of using a lot of these for my jewelry or other things like that, just to kind of keep me organized. Like I have a bunch of little Ziploc, or not Ziploc, but you know what I mean. Curious in here what I'm going to want to use and what I'm not going to want to use. Definitely think I'll want to use this. I have some packing cubes, but I feel like I've lost most of them, and I only have the bigger ones left, and I don't necessarily want bigger packing cubes. I think I want smaller packing cubes. You know what, actually, let's try the bigger packing cubes, because why not? I'm thinking of what I'm gonna do is pack all of my Coachella outfits in this packing cube. I have no idea if it's going to work or not. Let's hope it does, and I can just suction cup them all down. Not suction cup, what is it called? Vacuum? No, squeeze them all, take all the air out of it. Metaphorically, I don't even know, because I have 2 pairs of big boots that I need to bring, and those will take up a lot of space in my suitcase, so I think I have to make as much room as possible. So let's start doing some packing. Usually what I like to do is lay out all of my outfits, but since I tried them all yesterday, unfortunately they are all in a ball right here, so I don't really need to do that. I do think there are a few things that I need to grab. Like I do need to get like little shorts to put under my skirts and all things like that. I have these white ones, but I have like a pink pair, and the pink pair is really what I want to use. Oh, there's the pink pair, perfect. I like to put these under my skirts and dresses because I like to have shorts on underneath, and these are pretty close to my skin tone, so. And then maybe I'll do like, I was gonna say lingerie, I'm not wearing lingerie, like underwear, bras, socks, things like that in here. Maybe pajamas, I don't know, but let's just figure it out. And let's just start with this packing cube. I believe it's from Target. I probably got it like years and years and years ago, like pre-pandemic. The issue is this takes up pretty much all the suitcase, and there's still so much extra room. I don't know if you guys can see how I'm like lifting it and how I could fit so much more stuff in here, but I did want to separate out my Coachella outfits versus like regular clothes. So I also need to get pajamas outfits during the day, and then I want to bring like 1 or 2 pairs of leggings just in case I wanted to go on a walk. I don't anticipate I'm gonna be like working out, but in case I want to like clear my head, get some fresh air during the day before Coachella starts, because I really love walking, as you guys know. But I'm just like, oh my gosh, do I have any room for anything? I have all my outfits packed. I'm really hoping that I'm not forgetting something in terms of clothes. I guess we will find out when we're there, but we're literally in California. It's not like we're gonna be in the middle of nowhere with no service. The part that I am the most worried about going into this is how I'm going to fit my shoes, because this whole, what is in here? They're probably dirty, that's disgusting. These are the shoes that I have. This one, and then this one. What's also nice is I can put things inside of the shoes. I was kind of thinking like, oh, maybe I should have put like my underwear in that bag inside my shoes. I don't know. We'll have time to figure it out. Also need to do my jewelry, and then I was hoping that I was going to be able to fit my cosmetics bag in here, but I don't think I'm going to be able to fit that. So when I was on my work trip, I did check my bag, and I used this one. Whenever I check my bag, I use this little cosmetic bag because you can hang it on a bathroom, which is really, really nice, and it fits literally everything. Oh gosh, I'm now realizing I need to like put my Dyson in here and all of that. It is so much for just a few days. Okay, let's lock back in, you guys. I'm in my bathroom right now trying to just kind of collect everything that I possibly can. This brush I really love. It's easy for hairstyles. I kind of want to do some like funky hairstyles, which reminds me I need to get like little clear elastics. I have bobby pins in here. This brush was in my FabFitFun box. I really like it because the kind of wired bristles, what are these called? Wider bristles. Whenever I slick my hair back like I use it today, I kind of like how it like scoops my hair and makes my blonde like strips, streaks, highlights more spread out. I think it's really cute. I've mentioned this in the past. Let's see if I have anything. Oh, what just happened? No. Well, I knew that was gonna happen eventually. My little ceiling thing that I used my overhead shots in my bathroom just fell off. It's still sticky though. A couple chunks of paint off with it. You win some, you lose some. You see if there's anything in my shower I want to bring. Debating if I should bring shampoos and conditioner. This is a Living Proof clarifying detox shampoo. I think this will be nice because I'm probably gonna have a lot of product in my hair from like trying to crimp it and curl it and do little braids. I also got this one in my FabFitFun box. I might transfer this into one of those small little travel breezy containers for this because I don't need to break this entire thing. I do really love this shampoo. It deeply cleanses and removes product buildup. I honestly should use it tonight because my hair is really greasy, but the times that I have used this, I really do like it. I probably try to use it like once a week. This purse was also in my FabFitFun box. I'm trying to decide if I should bring it or not because I think it'd be really nice because it can carry a lot of stuff, and then I could use it like as a crossbody or like a little shoulder bag. So trying to decide if it will fit the bag guidelines, but I think it's really cute. Let me see, what else do I need in here? What's really nice is since we're driving, I can bring full-size products rather than having to only get sample ones. Oh, this one was in my FabFitFun box. I told you I use these products all the time. The Moroccan Oil All-in-One Leave-In Conditioner. One thing that I always do when I travel is I skimp out on bringing all the things in my routine. Like I use this every single time after I shower. I've really been liking it, and it makes my hair like less tangly and more hydrated, all of that, right? I will always be like, well, I don't need to bring this extra thing. I don't need to bring my sunscreen. I don't need to bring this lotion. I don't need to bring this. And then I'm at these places and I'm like, my skin is dry, my hair is horrible. Like, why did I not just bring them? Because I was wanting to save space, but now I don't feel like I look as cute, or I feel like off and kind of not feel like myself because my skin is like super tight and my hair is like frizzy and all that. So we're gonna bring this. Again, nice that we're driving and not flying so I can bring the full size. There are some things that I'm like, this is nice because it would be hard to bring this into like a small spray container. Shampoo would be easier to bring into a smaller thing. I also feel like I should bring some aloe vera because I burn really easily and we're gonna be in the sun a lot. Oh, I bought sunscreen. I bought lots of sunscreen because we know I need it. Okay, I think that's everything for my bathroom. Hair, skin, body. I hope I have everything. I don't know. I actually think that all worked out really great. There is still some like little pockets that I can shove things in. Next thing that I need to do is all my accessories. I have little jewelry and things like that. What I was thinking I could do is lay this inside of that bag with all of my Coachella outfits because there is still extra room in there. Also, what I ended up doing, which I'm actually glad that I did, was I put all of my regular outfits underneath it so I can just take that bag out and then be able to get through all my stuff and it won't be an issue. I remember last year I was just kind of like constantly like shoveling through things, moving things around. I also have this dirty laundry bag that I think I'm going to bring for all of my dirty outfits because they get quite sweaty here in the sun for a very long period of time, and I am a sweaty girl. So I think that this will help just kind of separate my clothes while I'm wearing them, just so I'm not like combining, like throwing my dirty stuff back and my clean stuff is also there. I'm going to be at a friend's house that I'm staying at. I'm not going to be in a hotel, so it's not like I can like hang up things. Okay, in terms of jewelry, I also have these like super cool, cutie, like chunky bangle bracelets. I think these are so stinking cute. I kind of want to go like very heavy on the jewelry. I also have this that I got. These are just some like headband scarves that I think I can just like lay flat in there because they're suction cupped. I don't know why I keep saying suction cupped. I also have some armbands. The issue with these is like, will these even fit on my arms? I'm kind of thinking that they don't fit because it wouldn't go up my arm, but I do have some that are kind of more like open, but I don't think these are nearly as cute. Okay, this is too big. I'm assuming that you kind of like squeeze these in to make them tighter. I don't know. I think that I might bring them and like just let me and my friends wear them and just kind of figure out like even work. Like what? I don't even think that looks good. I really loved that big cuff one, but it's not the right fit for me. It like wouldn't even go past my elbow. I watched a video of somebody saying that their arm is too small for the cuffs, and I had the exact opposite problem there. This one's simple. Like, I think these could be cute, right? Like, I think they could, like, add something to it. So maybe I'll bring just only the cute ones in this little bag. These ones are also pretty cute. This one has, like, a bunch of, like, little lines on it. Let's see what else. What else do we have? I'll put my earrings and my necklaces in here the last minute. I'm packing a little premature, honestly, because I don't leave until Thursday morning, and it's currently Tuesday, so it's like 2 days ahead. So it's hard when you're packing and there's still more that you want to pack, but you're like, I still like don't have time. Like I still, honestly, opposite. I have too much time. It's nice that all my cosmetics were already packed. And I think that I'm just gonna have that little bag, put it in my carry-on. Carry-on as if I'm like flying or road tripping, but just my little backpack and everything, just so it will fit easier. If I'm being honest, I think I might be done for now. Like, I don't think there's really anything else that I can pack until the very last minute, and I still want to edit this video and get it up for you before I go out of town. So I hope that you guys liked this video. It's probably a really short one, but I hope you liked it regardless. Make sure to check out FabFitFun. I'll have my little promo code in the description for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.